I got this beautiful set. Comes with instructions, all the cooking, and the quality is absolutely amazing. I did my research, and I absolutely love this with the shower head. It looks so nice. I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to put it. Look at this. It is amazing. I love the size. Look at how big this is. This is gorgeous. And these are like so soft. And I absolutely love this so much. I'm going to show you guys where it's going to go. So we're planning to put it in this bathroom just because it's our guest bathroom and we want to make it very chic, and we love the feature, and I absolutely love this. It's going to be so nice and so pretty here for our guest.
This is the shower head, the rain shower. Everything worked fine for a few months. And now, if we turn the water on, got this, but if we move it up to the rain head, as you can see, now leak at the bottom. If we turn it around, turn the water off, and you can see that it's rusted out right through here. The two plates, you can close them together by hand, but since this sits like this, all the water drains down here and sits here, and then over time it rusts the bottom out here. So you get a few months out of it, that's it.
The shower head installed with the little valve, then you got your little handle down here. Both those still work great, but after 10 weeks of work, I'm only going to turn it on part power so I don't get soaked, because it starts coming out pretty hard. As soon as you start getting water pressure, it starts leaking out the back, and that starts spraying really hard. I'm going to turn that off before I get soaked. But yeah, that's about 10 weeks. It starts spraying, hits the wall right here. Yeah, it's hitting pretty freaking hard. But yeah, I don't suggest it. Or if you just want to buy it for the handle and the valve and the wand, that's great. And then just replace the head with like Glacier Bay or something like that.
This just delivered. Look at this. This is how it was delivered. It's already open. Look at this. It's just delivered. 13.
A missing part. One of these is missing for this part. Yeah.